Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. The backyard. I did some backyard work today. I picked up some of the branches, and oh my goodness, I forgot to see it. Look at this. Wow. Wow, this is so pretty. The king palm tree. Wow. And oh, this tomato has such a strange shape, like pear shaped. And some big steak tomato, and this is lime, and passion fruit. We have a lot of passion fruit already harvested, and lemon. So it's perfect for ordering lemon curd, right? Lemon and pomelo. Pomelo juice is in production, and pomelo lemon curd. This is a plum. That is my family. See the avocado. Look at it. Look at it. Avocado. We have so many avocado. Everywhere. There are so many, and we are taking out some of the we are taking out some of the smaller one. It's called seaweed. What a pity, because it takes a lot of energy and does not grow well, so we thin it out. And apple, king palm, blackberry, jam. Okay. See you later, alligator. Okay, I just picked some candy sweet tomatoes. Now, time to say hello, right? Hello. Okay, now let's say hello. Hello. Uh-oh, I have one hand. The other hand have to use to hold the phone. Sorry. Oh, this one is open up when I wash it. Hello. Oh my goodness. Hello. Peekaboo. Goodbye, bye, bon appetito.